In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import leads into Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If you're new to Pipedrive or just want a faster way to get prospects into your system, this quick process will save you time and keep your pipeline organized. We'll start right inside your Pipedrive account. Look to the sidebar on the left and click on Leads. This is where all your potential opportunities live before they move into deals. Opening this view keeps imported information neatly separated from your active pipeline and makes it easy to review everything in one place. Once you're in the Leads section, make sure you're looking at the Leads inbox. This is the default home for new entries. At the top left of the table, you'll see the Add Leads button. Right next to it is a small caret icon. Click that caret to reveal additional options. This is where Pipedrive provides a guided way to bring in multiple records at once, without manually typing them one by one. From that menu, download the template file provided by Pipedrive. This template is the safest way to format your data because it already contains the exact columns Pipedrive expects. Open the file and enter your lead details, 1 row per lead. Keep the headers exactly as they are and match each piece of information to the correct column. Use clear, consistent formatting throughout. For example, use the same style for addresses, standardized text for statuses, and a single format for dates. Avoid adding extra sheets, merging cells, or inserting unsupported characters, as those can cause errors during import. When you're done, save the file in its original format or as a commonly supported spreadsheet format. Head back to the same place in Pipedrive where you downloaded the template and upload your completed file to start the import. Pipedrive will process the data and place the new entries into your leads inbox. Depending on the size of the file, this can take a moment. When it's finished, refresh the leads view and scan a few records to confirm that everything looks correct and appears in the expected fields. That's all there is to it. Click Leads on the left, open the leads inbox, use the caret next to Add Leads, download the official template, fill it out carefully, and upload it to import. By following the template and keeping your formatting clean, you'll avoid headaches and get your list into Pipedrive quickly. If anything seems off, adjust your spreadsheet and upload again. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, faster lead import process.